Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. In this video, we are going to see a very annoying problem and resolve that whenever you are trying to configure WhatsApp on a new mobile and you don't have access to your old mobile, what it does is when it asks you to verify your number, it basically sends the code to your old phone, but you don't have the old phone, right? So how we can do that? If you try to click on more options, the options you get is you can choose to verify receive a new SMS. You can verify it via missed call, but you have tried that as well and nothing works for you. So I have a quick solution for you guys. So what you need to do is just click on this WhatsApp icon. Just hold it until you see this options. From here, just click on the app info. Now from here, just click on the permissions, and here just make sure that all are allowed. If we scroll down, we have this SMS option, but as you can see, it's not allowed. We will change it to allowed. Again, phone, let's change it to allowed. If it requires some other information that you think that it requires, you can allow all of them and then try again. So let's go here and let's receive a new SMS now. Now, as you can see, I'm receiving the call now. Now, as we can see that we have received the code 8. Let me just quickly put that and let's verify it. And as you can see, now the verification is complete. Now the contacts and media to easily send messages and photos. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts, photos and other media. Let's continue. Let's allow the contacts. Let's allow the media. Let's allow different access. And then it will search for the backup. Now this is a very important step, guys. So just make sure that you don't accidentally skip that. This is the most important part. Now, as you can see, guys, we have the option to restore our chats. So that's great. But before restoring, we need to make sure that we are connected to a reliable internet. Just connect to your main internet. Go back, make sure you're connected to your main internet, and then click on restore. Now it will take some time to restore. The messages will be quickly restored and you should be able to see the interface, and then the restoring process will continue in the backup. Let's say for your media, pictures, videos, all of them will be restored in few minutes or even within 24 hours or even some days, but you should be able to use this within a couple of minutes. Now, as we can see on the bottom, it's quickly restoring it all. And once it is finished, you should see the main interface. And as we can see that all of our messages are restored, your media will restore in the background. So like I said, it will take some time. Click on next and you can use any profile name. I'll just keep it as it is. Click next. And as we can see that it's showing me further options. I don't want to create any passkey right now. So let's click on skip. Add an email to protect your account. Now here we can verify your account even without SMS. You can add that so that we don't face any problem next time. So let me just configure the same email where we have kept our backups. So let's click continue, click next. So that's verified. And now it will start the interface. So as we can see, guys, I have successfully recovered each and everything on WhatsApp. So this is how you can do that. And as we can see, low battery charge your device. It's showing you that restoring media is right now paused. So you should be able to restore this once you put your mobile on charging. As the mobile charging is very low, it's showing this message. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can restore your WhatsApp and successfully verify it if you're facing the verification problem. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more amazing tips and tricks on WhatsApp, you can join the complete playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.